Here we are with an important question from logarithms. Find x if x minus log 48 plus 3 times log 2 is equal to 1 by 3 times log 125 minus log 3. Now, before solving this question, we must know these three basic formulas of logarithm rules which we will be applying while finding the answer, the value of x. Here we go. X minus log 48 plus 3 log 2 is equal to 1 by 3 log 125 minus log 3. Here we can apply this formula in this part and this part. So it can be written as log 48 plus log. Here we don't have a base in any of the log, so we must know that if there is no log given, then the base of the log is always 10, because when the base of the log is 10, the answer is always 1. So it can be written as 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to log 125 raised to the power 1 by 3 minus log 3. Now it will be written as x minus log 48 plus log 8, because 2 raised to the power 3 is 8 is equal to log, and 125 raised to the power 1 by 3 will be cube root of 125, and cube root of 125 is 5 minus log 3. Here if we will move this to the right hand of this equation, we can write it as x is equal to log 5 minus log 3 plus log 48 minus log 8. The plus part is this and this, and minus, the log with minus sign are this and this, so we will add this part and this part, and we will subtract this, the sum of this part from the sum of this part. X is equal to log, so if there is plus sign between the log base is same, which is 10 because no log base is given, then it will be 5 into 48. As they are only with the plus sign, always remember the sign of any number is the sign present before it. अब log 5 के आगे कोई साइन नहीं है तो वो प्लस का होगा, log 3 माइनस का है, log 48 प्लस का है, और log 8 माइनस का है. तो फिर यहाँ पे प्लस प्लस के कौन हुए, log 5 और log 48, जिसको हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया इस वाले रूल से. तो log 5 इंटू 48 माइनस log 3 इंटू 8. अब जब माइनस वाला आता है तो डिवाइड हो जाता है इस वाले रूल से, तो x इज इक्वल टू log 5 इंटू 48 अपॉन 3 इंटू 8. 8 6 are 48, 3 2s are 6, and it will be 5 into 2 10. And we know that log value of log 10 is always 1, then the value of x is 1. Done.